In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to conduct an advanced search in Google Drive, which will help you efficiently find any document or file you need, without wasting precious time scrolling through countless entries. Let's get started by first navigating to your Google Drive homepage. Ensure you're logged into your Google account because that's where all your Drive files are stored. Once you're at your Google Drive home screen, you'll notice a search bar located at the top. What you're going to do next is something most users overlook but is incredibly useful, the advanced search option. At the far right of the search bar, you'll see a tiny icon that looks like a downward facing triangle or a funnel. Click on this advanced search icon. This is your entry point into more refined, precise searching, offering a range of criteria to pinpoint exactly the file or document you need. By using this, you can save loads of time compared to scrolling endlessly. Now that the advanced search panel is open, your first move is to click on Type. This option lets you specify the kind of files you're looking for, whether it's a Google Doc, sheet, PDF, image, or even presentations. The more specific you are about the file type, the quicker Google Drive can find what you need. Next, let's focus on the Includes the Words field. This is exceptionally handy when you recall a keyword or phrase contained within the document, but can't remember the document's name itself. Simply type in the words or phrases that you believe are contained in the content of the file. After that, shift your attention to item name. Use this if you remember all or part of the file's name. It helps Google Drive zero in exclusively on the titles, ignoring content that doesn't match your search closely, ensuring search results are even more targeted and relevant. Moving forward, let's refine our search using the location option, which can be particularly helpful if you've organized your folders meticulously and remember the specific file's location. This option allows you to search within a specific folder or even shared drives, narrowing down your search space efficiently. Now, one often underscored but highly useful criterion is date modified. Clicking on it lets you specify a time range, which is extremely beneficial if you remember roughly when you last updated the document. For a more collaborative search, use the Shared To option. This is practical when you're looking for files you've shared with specific people or received from them. Finally, once you've filled out all the fields to your needs and satisfaction, go ahead and click on the Search button. This will initiate the search process with all the criteria you've set, retrieving results that are much more precise and tailored to what you're looking for. And that's it. Give these steps a try and enjoy how much easier and efficient it is to search in Google Drive with these advanced options.